In this video, I will show you how to create PowerPoint presentation. So very simple and easy way. Click on File and New, and here click on Presentation. So guys, here you will see a list of presentation ready to use. Just you need to edit and use that design. You can change image, text, title and whatever you need. So we can see here is a list of presentations. As a category, you can select from here, like education presentation. Charts, diagrams, business, and infographics. So select any presentation which you like and which you need to make some changes, like this one. Click here and create. Now it's ready to use. Just make changes. To see the preview, click here. Also, you will see this information what you need, like section header, to and subtitle. To change color for any presentation, select that element, double click on it and make changes. So this way you can make changes. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.